Welcome to our channel. Today's tutorial on how to install WooCommerce in WordPress, your gateway to creating a powerful online store. Whether you are a business owner or an aspiring entrepreneur, WooCommerce can help you sell your products and services online seamlessly. Stick around, and we'll walk you through the entire installation process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Access your WordPress dashboard. The first thing you need to do is access your WordPress dashboard. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and log in. Step 2. Navigate to Plugins. Once you are in, head over to the Plugins section. This is where you'll be able to add new plugins to your WordPress website. Step 3. Click on Add New. Now, click on Add New. This will take you to the plugin installation page. Step 4. Search for WooCommerce. Here's where you'll search for WooCommerce. Just type WooCommerce into the search bar. Step 5. Install WooCommerce. Once you've found WooCommerce in the search results, click on Install Now to start the installation process. Step 6. Activate WooCommerce. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Activate button. Click on it to activate the WooCommerce plugin. Step 7. Run the setup wizard. Congratulations! WooCommerce is now installed and activated on your WordPress website. To get started with the initial setup, click on Run the setup wizard. And there you have it. You've successfully installed WooCommerce in WordPress. Now you're ready to configure your online store, add products, and start selling. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Connect us via social media. Contact us via. Thanks for watching.